back to my channel, and as you can see from the title of today's video, I'll be showing you guys some very affordable, natural looking eye contacts. When it comes to eye contacts, and if you want to kind of dibble and dabble in other colors, the biggest thing is that you want them to look natural and you want to make sure that they show up correctly on your eyes. This video today will be sponsored by JUST4KIRA, who specialize in contact lens, and they have been in the game for about over 7 years now, okay? They're super affordable. The price ranges from about $35 to $49. They're actually having a sale on their website right now, and they also have a lot of good deals going on. Now, just so you guys know, these are high quality contact lens, okay? Like I said, they've been in the game for over 7 years now, so it's like, sis, they know what they're doing, all right? Period. The color schemes that they specialize in when it comes to creating the contact lens colors is they have brown, green, blue, and gray, and there's different type of spectrums that you can get, so there are a lot of options that you can choose from. JUST4KIRA did reach out to me, and they actually did send me a couple of pair of contacts. The colors that I chose to get were Crystal Brown, Sunita Brown, Gem Brown, Citha Hazel, I think I'm saying that right, Sunita Gray, and SL29 Green. What I have in my eyes right now is the Crystal Brown. This is probably like my favorite pair out of all of them. So it came in this box here, and as you can see, the other colors are listed in here. Inside the box, you're also gonna have this little card here, kind of like a thank you card, and it will actually give you instructions on how to put the contact lens in your eyes, which was very important for someone like me because I don't wear contacts. It does come with contact lens case. Obviously, there is a right and a left, and it is labeled, just so you know, because I know some people wear contacts because of prescription purposes. So you will be able to tell, obviously, your right from the left, because you can have different prescription in each eyes. And it also does come with 2 tools as well. I'm going to show you guys what the tools are. So as you can see, the glass is very sturdy, very secure. You just open it like so, and the tools that it comes with, it has this thing here. I don't wear contacts, so I don't really know what they're for. And then it also has this here. I do use this to help me get the contact lens out of the case and place it onto my finger. It definitely does help. I do know you can use some of the tools to help you actually insert the contacts in your eyes. I specifically use my fingers, and I will show you guys in a bit. This is the box that the Crystal Brown came in. 2 boxes, because it's gonna have 1 contact lens in each of them. And to be perfectly honest with you guys, like, I kind of feel like everything came very secure. It came very knowledgeable, especially if this is your first time trying out contacts. Their website itself is very knowledgeable. All I really have to say is, honestly, I'm actually really happy that I did decide to go ahead and try these out. The Crystal Brown is my favorite. I love the way these look on me, especially for the summertime. I just feel like it's a whole entire vibe with the curly hair. They feel very nice, you know, it's not irritating my eyes whatsoever. I feel very comfortable with them in. And you guys already know, if I get something, you guys get something too. So I do have a 20% off discount code for you guys. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, as well as all of the colors that I have chosen specifically, just in case you're interested. And then I'll also have the link to the website directly. That way you can go ahead and check out all of the other colors that they have. There's so much to offer. So with all that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the tutorial of me putting the contact lens in my eyes. All right, so the first pair that we're gonna be trying on today is called Sunita Brown. So according to JUST4KIRA's website, they do have instructions, wearing instructions, which is very important, especially if you're like me and you don't normally wear contacts. You want to make sure that you're doing everything correctly. So on the website, they do recommend that obviously you make sure that the contacts was soaking in solution, which mine have already been. And also they do recommend that you put the contacts in when you do not have makeup on. Put your makeup on afterwards if you're going to wear makeup, and then obviously before you take off your makeup, take out the contact lens as well. Also very important, make sure you wash your hands. I washed my hands twice, so we are all good to go. So let me get my mirror. So I have my eye contacts in here. This is actually a very secure case, by the way. And now I'm just going to take my multi-purpose solution, and this solution clean, rinses, disinfects, stores, and removes protein daily. I got this from CVS. This is a CVS brand. I didn't get like a fancy brand or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of the solution in the palm of my hand first. I'm going to use the tool that I showed you guys earlier to get the contact lens out of the case. I'm just going to place that in the palm of my hand, and then I'm going to add a little bit more solution on the top of it. And this is just so I can rinse it off. Now, I've already tested these out as far as putting them in my eyes, and it does take me a minute, so because I'm not used to it, but they are very comfortable, so just bear with me. So I'm just going to put that in my eye. doesn't hurt or anything, doesn't feel uncomfortable. Obviously, I could just feel that I put something in my eye. So it just takes a couple of seconds just so your eyes could kind of just get used to it. If you don't wear contacts, if you wear contacts, then you already know. But so once this eye kind of calms down, then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one in and kind of give you guys a close-up. But just so you guys can kind of see the difference between them now, here's the one with the contact in and here's the one without, obviously. I feel like these are pretty, but they just don't look too natural on me per se. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting in the other one. So same thing, put some solution in my hand. Gonna grab the contact, add a little bit more solution just to kind of rinse it off, even though it's already been soaking, but this is just to be safe. Just give my eyes a second. All right, so this is how my eyes look with both of the contacts in. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so you guys can see it close up. One thing that I realized is that contacts always look good from afar, but you really need to see them close up to kind of get the full gist of it. This eye is already feeling normal. This one is just taking a second, but I'm gonna come closer. All right, so these were the Sunita Browns. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the crystal browns so you guys could kind of see what that looks like on me as well. Yeah, I love these so much more better. I feel like these look more natural than the Sunita Browns. This is with the crystal brown, and then this is my regular eyes. This color definitely looks a lot more natural than the first one. So both contacts are in, and honestly this kind of just changed my whole point of view about contacts, because I never thought that I would be the one to wear contacts ever, like colored contacts, but I really like the way that these look. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then I'll come back. All right, everyone, so that's basically the end of the tutorial. I did go ahead and do my makeup. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the eye contacts, of course. Honestly, they feel really comfortable, and for a person that never wears eye contacts, I can see myself dipping into these every once so often and also trying out the different colors. If you are a person who's looking for color contacts that are great for dark eyes, or you're just looking to test them out, I would definitely suggest JUST4KIRA. They feel really good, you guys. Like, I can't tell I have anything in my eyes. Once I got used to putting the eye contacts in my eyes, it was just very simple. It came very natural. I don't feel anything. I feel comfortable. I can see, you know, there's no issues there or anything like that. So I would definitely suggest JUST4KIRA if you're looking for color contacts. Like I said, they have many different color schemes to choose from. You can obviously get them in your prescription. They've been in the game for over 7 years now, and I really like them, you guys. Like, this is really cute. Like, for a summer vibe, especially with this hair, this is like really cute. And like I said, they are super affordable, and as you can see, they look very natural. So once again, I want to thank JUST4KIRA for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys found this very helpful. Definitely check them out. I will have all of the details listed in the description box down below. If you did not hit the subscribe button, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up before you click off, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.